have 23 pairs of DNA or the chromosomes, 23 from our mother and 23 from our father. And we have the next slide, please. We have the end caps of the DNA. All right, let's move on to the next slide, please.
That's all. Look, I think we have to go to the benefit of the product.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
So we have the cell nutrition. This particular product is part of the basic of the pit solution, namely this one with the big canister. One big scoop gives you 32 types of basic enzymes from the fruits and vegetable-based sources, which is solely from Switzerland. And we also have the 12 fibers and 3 types of Swiss herbs for detoxification and helps the prevention of stone formation. And we have 2 lactobacillus and bifidus and the B12 and L-acidophilus, LA5, the inulin and fructooligosaccharides. This is the one that gives it that sweet taste but does not harm anyone with diabetes at all, because it's going to slowly release the sugar in the blood and goes to your cell in the safest way possible. We have natural antioxidants, and also we have the vitamin A, C, and E trace elements, selenium and sodium selenate. Next one, please. So there you have it. The ingredients are the Gamarabic oat bran, which is far, far better than the usual oats that we eat in the morning. We have the pea fiber, guar gum, apple fiber, pectin, citric acid, inulin, rice bran, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, parsley leaf, spinach, tomatoes, green tea extract. Ladies and gentlemen, can you eat 5 kilos in one sitting? No. This product has been formulated to be able to give us all the nutrients, complete balanced nutrition on a daily basis in just one serving. Next product, slide please. So what are the benefits of taking this particular product, the cellular nutrition? Definitely, it's going to improve intestinal environment and revitalizes the good bacteria activity. Next one, please. Helps digestive system to eliminate long-term waste accumulation through the years. Next one, please. Enhances immunity and defense system, rapid supply and absorption of nutrients at the cell level, supply of natural antioxidant, and eliminate body waste and controls your appetite and maintain good body shape. Next one, please. Now, our cell energy, definitely you are like you're going to a hospital having your daily dose of a dextrose, okay? Guarana powder, which is going to give you the mental focus and really give you an antioxidant effect. Citric acid will increase your nutrient absorption. And red beetroot powder, this is actually the one who's going to dilate your blood vessels so that more red blood cells will flow smoothly into the blood vessels. Now, moving on to the cell energy, we have also vitamin C and wild green oat powder. Okay, it has high beta-glucan, which will help boost your immune system. Okay, next one, please. All right. So very, very good point here. We have the niacin and cyanocobalamin, which are the ones that's really taking care of our DNA repair, and which will one, the DNA will be the one to tell message RNA to tell them that what is supposed to be done, or else cells will just be reproduced, but it for repair, then it will become cancer cells later on. Next one, please. Next slide. All right. So what are the benefits? It will enhance cell activation, increase oxygen and constant. Next. Okay. It will increase the oxygen circulation in the blood vessels, and it will promote and eliminate the extraction of the toxins from your muscles. It will give you that elimination of fatigue and improve help prevent depression, mental deterioration, and forgetfulness. Let's talk about the cell mineral. The cell mineral has FOS, the fructooligosaccharide, the citric acid, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, potassium citrate, zinc, gluconate, manganese gluconate, sodium selenate, and cholecalciferol. Let's go to the benefits of cell mineral. This is my best friend, ladies and gentlemen. I can now have the luxury of sleeping like a baby. It helps balances and metabolize excess acidity in the body, helps to strengthen bones and relaxes the muscles, enhances immunity and defense system, and rapid supply and absorption of minerals for the healthy bones and teeth, and improves and restore your circadian rhythm. So you make now your body sleep like a baby and help regeneration of your organs during your restful sleep. And this is a very beautiful slide coming from a very strict country, namely Australia. They have classified under the Australian Government Department of Health under Therapeutic Goods Administration, wherein they have classified Fit Solution Cell Nutrition as a medicine. Imagine that, ladies and gentlemen. No need for a disclaimer. Okay, next slide, please. Same dose was given as a classification as a medicine for cell energy. Next again. We have also the same classification for cell mineral as medicine under ARTGID 326728. All right. So this particular product is definitely needed by the body as we have nourished our body to the cellular level, thus having to protect our DNA, though namely the telomeres. The telomeres are not seen by the naked eye, but definitely it is there to protect our DNA. Or else, next slide please, it will give us that aging process, untimely aging process. If your lifestyle is not good, then definitely you would look more older because it will cut off your telomeres shorter. But lo and behold, don't worry, because with our product, it will actually activate our sirtuins. This is a protein and shown to lengthen short telomeres in humans. And this will activate the telomerase. That this is the enzyme that will add length to the telomeres of our DNA. It will help support reversal of cellular aging. So no need for anti-aging stuff, right? It will promote feeling of youthfulness, vitality, and contains powerful combination of antioxidants that protects our cells, the DNA, our stem cells, and all our oxidative stress and damages will be addressed. It will definitely give us the perfect support for our natural rejuvenation and support the maintenance of our natural DNA repair mechanism. Next, please. All right, let's take note of this. Because of the rapid absorption system of our product, we have one of these. All right, number one is the skin redness, wherein the blood vessels are vasodilated, no? And because of the red blood cells flowing, then you will have the skin redness. Then the next one that you may encounter will have the skin detoxification or skin itchiness. Next one, please. You may have warm body sensation because of the thermogenesis and possible minor trembling, wherein circulation of blood is happening at that area of the trembling site. And next, the other reaction that you may have is gut reaction because of the activation of the enzymes and promotes now motility of your gut. Okay, and the others will be more of phlegm release. Okay, but lo and behold, don't worry, you just have to drink more water and this will definitely just go away immediately. All right, the obvious benefit is you feel full because your cells are nourished. There's sustained physical energy, improved visual acuity, and pain management definitely will happen because of the vasodilation. There will be no more inflammation. There's no more pain that will happen. So bowel movement improvement, instead of not having bowel movement once a day or every other day, you will have 3 times a day bowel movement, which is the normal frequency, and a restful sleep. Okay? Next. So with Total Swiss Fit Solution, from brain health to down to your nerve health, this is all addressed. So if you are a person who loves buying supplements, you don't need to waste more money at this time because everything is already addressed by the Total Swiss Fit Solution. Thank you so much. That ends my product presentation. If you have any questions, please just write it down at the chat center, and I would gladly answer them later. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Annery Toledo, our very own product presenter. And well, as our doctor was saying, she can entertain some of your questions, and you can write down or chat down your questions so we may answer some of your questions. Okay, so let's entertain questions now. So that's the beauty of the product. Here in the Philippines, we're very having that benefits by using the product continuously. As we are using the product, there's really a lot of improvement to our health, to our stamina, to our looks, to our everything. Well, I'm not just saying this because I'm part of Total Swiss, but I'm saying this based on the actuality of using the product. So, as Dr. Anne was saying, it will rejuvenate, it will nourish your cells. So, and it will also penetrate down to the DNA level of your body. And that's how the mechanism of action takes place. Once your cells are nourished, then it will reproduce another healthy cells. And once you have ample cells in your body, then your body will become healthy. It will prevent sickness, it will repair sickness, or it will heal sickness. So that's the beauty of it. Okay, there's a question now. Okay, can children take the product? Doc Annery, please answer the question. It should be better coming from our doctor.
Yes, definitely. Anybody who is a living human being can definitely take our products.
Very
A
good.
very good example is the son of our grand upline, Mr. Jimmy
Right,
Woo,
right.
who happens who happens to be when he was still inside the womb of the mother. The mother is already taking it. Upon coming out of the body, being an infant, they give the total, the fit
Right.
solution to the baby, and the baby, he's now 3 years old, so strong, very intelligent, and very wise. Okay, and he loves the products. He eats it without putting it in water. He eats it. Okay, next.
There's another question. Does the product have peer-reviewed studies published in PubMeds or in any medical journals?
All right. Actually, I have not particularly gotten the PubMed write-ups, but what I can say is this: all our ingredients are sourced from pure organic vegetables and fruits from Switzerland. Being those ingredients used, it is actually not a medicine. Okay, so
Right,
in PubMed,
right.
normally they would be giving reviews regarding products that are not made in this particular type of ingredients. So take note of that. All right.
All right. Thanks, Doc, for that answer. Another question. With regards to some mineral products, can this be safely given to patients diagnosed with kidney diseases?
Okay, very good question. If you have a patient or you have CKD, the body still needs that. Now, you can actually place one scoop of the small scooper and drink it and use only the allowable amount of ml of water that is prescribed by your endocrinologist. So it is still okay. So
Okay.
if you think that you you can, I would suggest you can take it like once a week, and then you can progress it to doing it for 2 times a week for the cell mineral, and then as you progress you will just add and then go back to normalcy, and you will see the difference because I have a friend who is actually a CKD. She is a wife of a congressman in the Philippines, and she's taking it for the particular way that I was telling you, and now she's okay.
Okay, thanks, Doc. Thanks, Doc Well, for that question. So there's another question. Can dialysis patient take this product? Dialysis patient.
Definitely take it. Yes, take it 1 hour before dialysis and 1 hour after dialysis.
Okay, thank Doc for that answer. Other questions? Um, how does this product will kill cancer cells?
Okay. Um, as we have talked about, or rather, I have not mentioned it earlier. Sorry. In 2001, in Geneva Convention, the culprit for cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, um,
Yeah.
high blood pressure, okay, and diabetes, one thing that they have talked about is number one, nutritional imbalance. Once you give the body what it needs on a daily basis, it will take care of itself. having
Right.
to have cancer cells, this Total Swiss product actually brings your body back from being acidic. It brings it back to less acidity, less acidity. The food of cancer is actually acidic environment. That's one of those, that's the major factor for cancer cells.
Right.
Number two, once you starve the cancer cells, definitely it will not flourish anymore. Once your body becomes stronger and stronger, it would be able to combat cancer. That's how it works.
Okay, thank you, Doc, for that answer. Has anyone been taking this product for more than a year? I think in Taiwan and other parts of the country, there's a lot. Here in the Philippines also, yes. Doc, go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, we are open since 2010 in Taiwan and in other countries. So as we have witnessed, a lot of senior citizens who even have 8 malignant tumors. Our Cardinal Crown President, Miss Wang, is actually a cancer survivor, and because of Total Swiss, definitely just because of Total Swiss, she's able to be healthy now. And a lot of patients before who are now great distributors and members of Total Swiss
Right.
is is actually very, very healthy now, are all cancer free.
Okay, Doc. Can doctors here in the US prescribe this product to their patients?
Definitely, because for one, I would even tell the doctors they themselves have to take this product. Anybody who is breathing needs complete balanced nutrition on a daily basis. So if I myself would be handling my patients, I will definitely recommend these products to my patients.
Okay, another question. What is the recommended dosage for children age 2 to 4 years old?
Recommended dosage is the same. There's no such thing as infant and adults for taking this product. What Total Swiss is cellular nutrition. Total Swiss is given every single day to give us complete balanced nutrition on a daily basis.
Okay, so another question. Where we find individual that has great results? Are they in the website? People wants to see testimonies.
Um, Actually, we don't have the compilation of those, but we were able. I can speak for myself and for other people that I have met
Right.
during the convention. That's how it. That's how it is. Okay.
Okay, does those which have medical advisory board who can give us guides in dosage?
Um, they have not. They have not really given us any at this particular time, but we can ask Dr. Wang regarding those things. But all I can say is dosage is something like this. If you give the body what it needs on a daily basis, may it be a young person or an old person, it's the same thing. The cellular nutrition that Total Swiss is giving is to the cellular level requirement of a human body. So once you give a small person or a young person that complete balanced nutrition, the better. Correct? We
Yeah.
want to give our children the most complete, nutritious food ever. It is only Total Swiss Fit Solution that can do that. My example to you is the 3-year-old son of Jimmy Woo. I saw him, how strong that boy is. I'm telling you, Sky is a perfect example for your questions for this particular question.
Okay, okay. How long is the shelf life of this product? Shelf life, he's asking.
Normally, it's 3 years that they have on the expiration date. But I'm telling you, you're not going to make it last
Yes,
for that
I
long.
agree. Right. True,
I
true.
take the product 3 to 4 times a day.
Exactly. That's what we're also doing. So the product won't last for a month. Yeah.
Yes.
What is the recommended dosage for patient with metastatic cancer? Metastatic cancer, I'm sorry.
Um, the more the better.
Right. I agree. Are the capsules or tablet formulations of this product? Are there capsules or
The
none,
the
I
fit
guess.
solution are all in powder form.
Right. Right, right. So what is the telephone number or email for queries? In the US, I believe
Um,
they will provide one for them for all of
yes.
in the US. Yeah.
Yeah, please go back or revert back to the person who invited you to this Zoom.
Yes. Right, right. If one is a medical issue, can they double the yes? As Doctor Andre is saying a while ago, you can double the dosage. It depends on your sickness. But we here in the Philippines, even if we don't have that problem or health problem, we're doubling the dosage, and it's really working very effectively to us. So, Doc, let's please
That's
stop
right.
substitute. Right.
Yeah. Dr. Wang, the formulator himself, is taking this 8 to 12 times in a day.
Okay, there's a very good question here. Who will shoulder the shipment if it's a bulk order? Let's say a minimum of 1 million. Thanks. That we can discuss. You can connect to us so we can agree about the shipping or how can we handle the shipping if ever. So please connect to us or please
Of
connect to the person who invited you.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Can Down syndrome be addressed by the product?
All right. It depends on the severity of the abnormality of the DNA pairing of the because that that abnormality is definitely part of DNA
Right.
mismatch. Okay, the codon mismatch. Now, one thing for sure I can say is this: once the body is being nourished on the level of efficacy of that of level of excellence for giving these complete balanced nutrients given to it, then I think for me, it's common sense that I'm thinking of like if the severity is too much, it can be lessened and then later on it can improve. It depends, you know? And all I can say is once we have faith and we just take the products on a regular basis, the more you want to take it, the more you would see results that would come out. This product has been giving us different testimonials that we never thought of. That's all I can say. So
Okay.
just take the products anyway. It's just good nutrition. Then we'll see.
Okay. That's a really good answer, Doc. We will be having the last three questions, and it will end with Miss Mary B. Okay. This another question. Is there an adverse reaction against medicine or other supplements? Okay. Adverse.
Actually, adverse reactions regarding your medications, definitely not. They're just food. Okay. Now, regarding those people who are taking medications, please do not stop your medications right away. It will be your doctors who would be able to tell you because of your latest blood work. They will be the one telling your doctor that your body is improving. Then the medications will be lessened and then removed later on.
Okay. Why is mineral not taken at the same time or mixed with cell nutrition and cell energy? Why not together combine the three? That's his question.
Because the cell mineral is the one that's supposed to be taken in the evening. This is how it works. In the morning, the effect of the cell energy and the cell nutrition will actually sustain your energy up there, give you the nutrients that you need, plus the food that you're going to take during the day. Then cell mineral will actually process everything that you've given the body for the whole day and then give you that restful sleep that you need.
Will it also work on patients with psyche problem like depression? Okay, there's a lot of questions. Questions are keep coming in the comment section. So I think we can't answer this because Doc, are you still have the liberty of answering all of these questions being posted here? So many questions. Doc, you're on mute. You're on mute. Doc, you're on mute.
I'm already here in Lipa, Dek.
Yeah, I know. So I guess, friends, you really had a lot of questions. What we can do is we can do a separate presentation, Doc, like every Wednesday. We can do that for some question and answer, specifically with regards to the product, so that
Okay, we can do that.
yeah. Just to inform everyone that in the US we are going to have a regular BOP presentation every Tuesday and every Thursday. So what we can do is that we can add on another day for that Wednesday for that answering questions, especially in the US market, for those questions that you want to answer by our very good doctor. So she can answer all of your questions. So guys, please list down all your questions, and we'll see tomorrow if we can. Oh no, it's Thursday today. We'll have a another set of Zoom meetings so that all of your questions can be answered, because I think we're running out of time and we'll still have to present the compensation plan. Okay, so bear with us, and we will answer that. Surely we will do that. Okay, so Doc, thank you so much for that. And
Thank you. I'm off to my next presentation. Take care,
I know that.
everyone. God bless.
Okay, bye bye. So thanks, Doc. Keep safe and good luck. Bring home the bacon, Doc. So let's now proceed to our next presentation. We'll move on to the business presentation of our. Okay, as we are switching from. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we are now going to start the presentation of with the income stream program of Total Swiss. Again, this presentation is really meant for the US market. That's the reason why it's different from the Philippine presentation. Okay, so guys, this is not for us. If you want to attend the local presentation here in the Philippines, there's a schedule for that. But for the meantime, let's discuss the business presentation for the US market. So before I start anything further, I would like to do my disclaimer for the compensation plan. So this income is depending solely on your effort and skills and in the marketing condition of your area. No income is guaranteed. Success requires hard work and dedication. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Total Swiss Philippines, or especially the Total Swiss USA, reserves the right to update the compensation plan without any prior notice. So let's begin. So we have only 4 types of income stream, and the income allocation for these 4 types of income stream is 49%. And all payouts are depending on the PB, or on the points value accumulated from the product purchase. Guys, just a quick reminder, this company is a product-driven company. We have a strong product-driven initiative. That's the reason why the payouts are being made coming from the movement of the product. All right. So startup, this is a package, and the package for the US, since there is a free pre-launching promo price, and this will cost you only $165. This is the a package of the 3 cans of Total Swiss Pit Solution. I believe there will be a slight increase very soon, because this hasn't yet included the logistics, the shipping costs, and the tax. So very soon, once the US office operates legally, so I think there will be some or minor increase in this. And we also have what we call the builder's package a package of 6, and this is 990 US dollars. So this is far cheaper with the one set alone, okay? Because this is in bulk buying, therefore you can avail of a big discount if you avail of this package, okay? And this is also again part of the pre-launching promo price in the US, and I'm very sure also there will be a slight increase once it starts to operate legally in your country. And also we have this 12 builder package, or I'm sorry, 12 sets we call builder package. And we're talking about your health. This is a 12 set of health investment for yourself, no? So you can take this, and while using the product, you can start selling the product as well, because you have avail this at a lower price, and you can sell this at SRP price, where you can earn from the difference if you sell it on a higher price, because that's a non-member's price you're selling. Okay, so that will cost you $1,980 for the 12, for the set of 12. Okay? Okay, moving along. So our objective here is immediately to become a manager one, and to become a manager one is simple as this one. So you have your account regardless of the entry, and if you it happens that you have 5 directs of each having 100 PB. Okay, the $165, I'm sorry, I wasn't able to correct this, is an entry. Okay, and that has points of 100 PB. So if you manage to sell at least 5 of that, then an accumulation, or the GPB is 500, then you will become a manager one. Okay. Now, looking forward, how can I be a manager two? It's easy as like this. To become a manager two, all you need to have to do is to have one manager one and other leg with a total accumulation GPB, or group points volume, of 2,500. So that's how to become a manager two. Okay. So there is a raffle happening from the company, and that is 1 million Taiwan dollars. And other people are asking us, how can you manage to avail of that promo from the company? Simple as like this. You avail of 6 sets, okay? And then you manage to get 5 of this, the same entry like yours. So if you have this entry and you have 5 of these directs that has also the same entry as like you can avail of this 1 million Taiwan dollar raffle every month. And you are entitled to have that raffle for the next 6 months. So like us here in the Philippines, I for one is part of that raffle now. Last month, there's this raffle and I attended the raffle, and luckily, one from the Philippines managed to get the like 4 numbers or 4 digits, and I think there's also a consolation prize for that. Not to mention the consolation prize included in this raffle, all right? This is just the major raffle prize. Okay, moving forward. What is the advantage of having a 1,990 entry? Okay, the advantage is number 1, I will have a 12 months straight auto maintain, meaning to say I don't need to buy anymore again. Like for other company, when you buy in bulk, that will be only counted for that particular month, right? But in this case, you just simply buy your 12 sets amounting to $1,990, which is promo for this moment. You will avail of the 12 months auto maintain. You don't have to worry of anything at all. All you need to do is to sell, promote, and build your organization. Now, what's next? The good thing is that if you targeted also the same entry as like yours, you are going to earn from them for the next 1 year straight without you doing anything at all, because they also are on the auto maintain setup. That's why you are going to enjoy the continuous earning from this people for the next 12 months. This is what we call the trajectory income, or what we call the duration programming income. With Total Swiss, you can program the duration of income from your downlines or from your business partners. Like in this case, this is 12 months. So if you targeted all of your prospects down the line, having an entry of this 1,980, you will be earning from them 1 year without doing anything at all. And as it grows, Sample, this one has sold their product in less than 3 months and they repurchase again, you will add on to your income because the maintenance or the pre-maintenance has added also. So that's how it goes. As they buy, as they sell, and as their product has been disposed in the lesser time, so you are entitled to earn additional to what they purchased. Same as on their downlines, okay? On their business partner, they will sponsor down the line as they go along the business. Okay, so this the advantage of the 980 is also the same, but this is just lessen of 6 months because the other one I presented is 1 year while this one is 6 months. If you are availing of this set, you are entitled for a 6 months maintenance free from the company, meaning to say you buy this January. So January of 2025, you are auto maintained for January until June of 2025. What if I by March of 2025 I manage to dispose all of my products and I buy another set of six? Then I will be maintenance free for another additional 6 months. That will fall under July to December of 2025. So it adds on and it adds on. Same as to your downline. If they also targeted the same entry as like yours, you are going to earn 6 months straight from these people under your organization. Take note, guys, we're just only talking about the direct five you have, not to include their repurchase and not to include the people they will sponsor under their organization. Okay, so as the repurchase starts to increase and the network or the organization starts to grow, your earning starts to grow continuously. And as I said, the trajectory income is really something unique for all of us here in the Philippines because compared to the compensation plan that I usually know, after the payout without production, you don't have any income anymore. But in this case, you just work for 1 month and your targeted market is all 6 months entry or 6 months sets. Then you will be earning from those people 6 months straight without you doing anything. If you work for 6 months and that is your target market, you will earn for the next 6 months without you doing anything at all. So what if you do it like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? So that's the beauty of this trajectory or duration programming income. Okay, so that's what I'm explaining a while ago. Okay, so how are we being paid? We are being paid by this. Every time the company only pays us 100 PB. Sample, in this case, the $990 entry has 600 PB, right? 600 divided by 100 means it is equivalent to 6. Meaning to say, I will be receiving payment from the company for the next 6 months. Okay, so that's the case. So every 100 PB is 7% will be allocated for the payout. 7% is what? €7. So if I have 5 lines or 5 directs, each of them I have €7. So that 7 times 5 is €35. If I multiply that based on the present or the current rate, that's $0.92. I'll be receiving $33 from all of them monthly. Not to include, again, their repurchase, the growth of their organization and the likes, right? Okay, so that's what I'm going to get. So now let's now talk about how am I going to earn from that income stream, the front end, and how deep I can earn from these people. Okay, so if I only have one direct, I can only earn from my first level deep, okay, under my organization. Okay, now if I have 2 directs, I can earn from the second level deep of my organization. If I have 3 directs, I can earn from the third level deep or the third deep depth of my organization. And if I have my fourth level direct, I can earn from the fourth level deep. And if I have 5 directs, I can earn up to the 6th level deep of my organization. So how is it going to happen? Like for this instance, this is the projection. If this is already full and you have the structure is already full, on the first level, depth, you will be earning 7% or €7. Second and third, you will be earning 5% or €5. Fourth, up to the 6th level deep, you will be earning €2. Okay, well, when you do the computation with this, I have 5 directs and my 5 directs only purchase 1 set per month, meaning I will be earning 7%. If it's 5, I'll be earning €35 or $33. Talking about the projection, power of 5. So I have my five, each of them have 5. So I'll be earning €115 if these people buys 1 set alone. So talking and the progression of this projection, as you can see, I can possibly earn 36,000 plus US dollars if these people under my organization buys 1 set alone. What if these people buys 2 or 3 or more? Then that this 33 US dollars for surely will going to increase, okay? Because as I said, this is a product-driven company, and the more product they buy, they use, and they sell, the more income you have. But the question is, what if I have not just 5 directs, I have like 6, 7, or 10 more directs? So it means to say that 36,000 will double, right? Okay, so that's the beauty of the business. As I am reminding everyone, we are on the pioneering stage here in the Philippines, especially in the US. So there is a big chance for you to surely attain of this projection. All right. So the success rate, guys, just let me be reminding everyone, especially in the US market, that we have the dynamic compression. Whereas your level, if they don't maintain, the level underneath them will goes up to your level, which these people or this line up don't maintain. So that's the dynamic compression, and I'm pretty sure most of you are very familiar about this dynamic compression thing. Okay, so we have the power to do the unlimited sponsoring here. Okay, but what if I have my 5 lines, okay, and I am availing or enjoying the income from these 5 lines, and I have other sponsored people, which I am the one who work on this, who talk with them, close the deal, and I managed to put them under the placement of my downlines. So what will happen is this. This is the true essence of helping, and this is what we've learned in Taiwan. So the moment you place under your directs people whom you negotiated with about the business, and they managed to join the business, automatically these people under the placement will become the sponsor. Okay, you follow? So meaning they will become the placement, and they will become also the sponsor. They will receive the 7% while you will be receiving the 5%. So that will strengthen your organization, your first level, and that is exactly the true essence of helping in this business. And here in the Philippines, it's happening right now to our team. We sponsor, but our team, one of our leg is not that strong and not that established. We can give a spillover, and that spillover will become the direct, and that group or that particular line will become strengthened, and it will be established. And this will benefit us the most because the 5 lines are continuously working. Okay, so that's how it works. So number 2 is the royalty income. This falls on the generation. Okay, so this applies when someone in your generation has been promoted. Okay, now I'm manager 2, for instance, and I have 5 lines. On my 4 lines, these are all still a distributor, no rank at all. Meaning to say, I'll still be receiving 7% from all of them. But one of my distributor or my business partner managed to be promoted to manager 1. Okay, so in the chart, it says that generation 1, I'll be receiving 3% from all of their sales. Okay, so meaning to say, if that person manages to sell like $10,000, $10,000, I'll be getting 3% of that particular sale, and that is going to me and continuously every time he or she created his or her own sales. Okay, so in this case, we're just showing you that you can be promoted to director 1 as well. You can be promoted to director 1 as well. Even the manager position under your organization does not comes from your direct. Okay, so underneath there's manager 1. So here, yes, let's show the chart. Here it shows that you have 3 lines that are not yet promoted. So meaning that you're going to still to get 7% from all of them. But with the 2 lines, which these are promoted to manager 1, you are going to get how much? 3% from all of them. And underneath, there's another manager one being promoted. So you will be getting 2% because in the chart it says your second generation, if they have this position or they're promoted to any position, you will be getting 2%. So here in this case, your manager one, 3% of his total sales will goes to you. And from the other manager one, which is also falls under your first generation, you will be getting also another 3%. So that's the good thing about this. Okay, this is something very good. And I like to lend me your ears for this. So here, wholesale bonus. There is this illustration that up underneath the sixth level dip. Remember, the front end bonus has only the privilege of giving you income up to the sixth level dip, right? But here, after the sixth level dip, down to the whatever depth is that. Let's say 100 level dip. That you being promoted to manager 3, that 3% is allocated, that goes to your upline. Okay. But underneath, there's also somebody who got promoted. So that one, the beauty of this comp plan is that in other company, after the depth of the allocated income stream, you will not be getting anymore. But here, you will still be getting something. Okay, how is this going to be? My allocated percentage minus to the allocated percentage of the person promoted under my organization. So if that's I will be getting 3, he'll be getting 1, 3 minus 1, then still I'll be getting 2% from the group sales points PB of that particular person. So that's one thing very, very good. Now, what if you became a presidential position? Okay. And underneath, there's many manager one who became promoted. Take note, 8%, manager 1, allocation 0. You will be getting straight 8% from the group sales of all the managers under your organization being promoted. Okay, scenario, what if there's one manager 2 or there's a lot of manager 2 being promoted from manager 1 becoming manager 2? Okay, no problem at all, because what will happen is that it will only be deducted from your 8% allocation, then it will be deducted 8 minus 1. You still have a volume sales of 7% from all of these people promoted to manager 2. After the 6th level dip, take note, it should be no income at all, but in this case, you will still be earning. That's the beauty of this income stream. Okay, and last but not the least is the leadership bonus. Okay, this is applied on director's position. Okay, so if you became a director position and it so happened one of your downline is also promoted to a director position, don't worry, because you'll still be earning from them. How much? You'll still be earning 1% from the group sales of that particular person who got promoted to the same position as you are. But as you are being promoted, that person is also promoted, you'll still be getting 0.5 if they will rank up to the next highest position of director's position, which is director 2. And thirdly, you can still be getting another 0.5 if that person is also promoted to director 3 and it follows your position. But along the way, under your organization, there's director 2, so you'll still be getting 0.5%. What if there's another director 1 being promoted, but you will still be getting 1%. So that's the leadership bonus. It means to say that with our company, we are talking about same position, no income at all, because it's like highest position minus lowest position, and what the difference will be your earning. But with our company, your equal position, you don't have income. But in this case, we have the what we call security income, that once you promoted to that particular position, you will still be getting income from the people under your organization. Okay, so that's the 4 income stream of Total Swiss. Very easy to follow, very easy to understand, and really attainable in terms of income. So guys, just a quick information that why we are becoming very interested in doing the business, because I, for one, I experienced that this business is being inherited by the younger generations doing the business. In Taiwan, I met a lot of people that their business has been passed on to their younger generations, their sons, to their daughters, right? And also the global ID is applicable wherever you are. I can send my global ID in the US. When they buy product in the office, they will be discounted, but the points will goes to me. And if they go for the entry, they use my ID number, then they will become registered, but I will become the sponsor and I'll have my business partner in the US, and same other countries as well. Seamless Complan. Complan is the same. And the good thing about here is that your personal PB, whatever position that you might be having, regardless if you are achieving the highest position, your monthly maintenance personal requirement is only 100 PB or $165 if but as I said, it will be changing soon. But very minimal, right? Okay, and the product is very patented. This is not a me too product. When I say me too product, when other companies, one has a product like this one and other company has product the same as that one, the same one, the same. Because this product is really patented. This is I just had a discussion yesterday with a person who's promoting a placenta and yeah, stem cell, and they really appreciated our product because it's quite different from their product. As I told them, that's not a supplementation. This is a nourishment for the cells that made the cells to reproduce more stem cells inside our body. And number 6 is that the product is demonstrable. Hope guys you can try the product if you can visit the office in the US or Heal the Philippines. If you're a newcomer, please find time to visit the office so that you can try the fast acting technology of the product that penetrates the cells, the assimilation, and the technology behind the product. And as I said, we are on a very stable company. The company, we are 105 delegates being sent to Macau, and the company spends so much money for all of us, all expense paid. And lastly, we are on the pioneering stage. So I hope, not just in the Philippines, but also in the US. So I hope that everyone will appreciate the business of Total Swiss, and looking forward that our newcomers will also become our business partner soon. Okay, so I think we just have to end this because I think we are really consuming so much of your time, especially with the people in the US. But if you have question pertaining the comp plan, then I can. We have 35 participants. Thank you very much to our 35 participants. And on Wednesday, next Wednesday, I mean, we will be having a question and answer, particularly with the product. So, guys, we will just discuss some of the product, and then eventually you can ask and ask and ask about the product if you want, if you have other questions. So, okay, let's try to see if you have questions here. Okay, most of the questions here are pertaining with the product. Permission to leave. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, okay, if there's a question, a shipment in Zamboanga here in the Philippines, I think it's 1 week or more, but we will be consulting with our officers in the office so that we can have a specific number of days on when your product will be arriving. Okay, so this is going to Zamboanga. Okay, so how do we get paid in the US? Ma'am, once you have your account, you will indicate what particular bank or payment mode the company will send you your payout. And the payout is automatic. Automatic. So every payout, you don't need to follow up. It will goes directly to your account. Whatever account you put in your account in your application form. Okay. That's the question. Okay. So we're very happy to be of service to all of you, and this will be a regular basis every Thursday, every Tuesday, and every Thursday in the U.S. And also feel free to invite people from the Philippines if you have somebody who wants you to introduce the business and the product as well. So with that, I think we're too much in terms of consuming your time. Magandang umaga po sa inyo at in the US, magandang good night to all of you, and God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Recording stop. Ah.